Hey guys, so today I made this really pretty squishy. Well, not really pretty. It's more like plain. It was supposed to be a squishmallow, but it didn't work out well because I used markers and it was made out of foam. But here it is. It's supposed to be a squishmallow penguin. It actually does look like one on camera, but not really where I can see it. It's not too slow rising. It's okay. It's basically the only squishy I'll ever have. Unless I can ever see a Squishmallows squishy, which I don't know of any. So I just made my homemade one, which I'm going to paint it a different day. I don't know when because it's like really cold out. I'll show you. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but like it's like super cold out. It was 30 degrees today. Almost. Didn't. And so this is like my first video I've ever made in the winter, but anyway, it's just super cute, and I'll show you how it squishes. It doesn't really come out slow rising, but it's better than my bread squishy. I don't know why I posted that. I wanted people to like it, but I'm a weirdo. So, yeah, that's my squishy, and tomorrow I'll be in a few days, I'll be showing it to you when it's all pretty and ready. And absolutely perfect. Which I don't know if it's going to be perfect because I already colored it. And it makes your hands really dirty, so probably put them in gloves. And so that's my video. If you want to see more squishies, more Squishmallows or Squishy, because that's my new favorite toys. Just give a like and subscribe to Robinson Ruckus, because that's what mine is. It's really my channel, but my dad makes it be ours. Well, my whole family's. So, bye!